Today we are going to be making a skillet cookie. Let's start by preheating our oven to 350 degrees. Now let's add our butter to our pan and turn on at medium heat. And stir frequently until butter is completely melted. Okay, now that the butter has melted, we're going to add our sugar and our brown sugar. Just like this. And then we're going to stir it in, and we're going to drop our heat to low. We're just going to stir it in there. Now, make sure your heat is at low, otherwise you probably burn this. Now we're going to try to melt this down until it's nice and glossy. Okay, now we're going to place this in the freezer for 15 minutes. Or however long it takes. Now, use a hot thingy so you don't burn yourself. Now we are going to add our egg and our vanilla. And we're going to stir it well. Just like this. Okay, now we are going to add our flour and our salt and baking powder. Now we're going to stir this in. Oops, sorry. Okay. Okay, now we're going to add our chocolate chips. That is our final step before we put it in the oven. Now we're just going to put it in the oven for 24 to 30 minutes. And I'll be back when it's done. This is our finished product.